In today's video, I'm going to show you how to improve your Notion workspace aesthetics using a simple built-in setting that most people completely overlook. If your Notion dashboards feel cluttered, cramped, or just not as clean and professional as the ones you see online, this one small tweak can make a huge difference. You don't need any third-party tools, templates, or advanced design skills for this. And the best part is, it works on any Notion page. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to the page you want to improve. This could be your main dashboard, a project hub, or any workspace you use daily. Once the page loads, move your cursor to the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu. This menu controls the visual layout of your page. Inside this menu, the first thing I recommend enabling is small text. Turning on small text instantly reduces visual clutter and makes dashboards look cleaner, more minimal, and more professional, especially if you have a lot of sections or links on one page. Next, in that same menu, click on Full Width. This setting allows your content to stretch across the entire screen instead of being squeezed into a narrow column. Full Width is especially useful for dashboards, navigation pages, and layouts with multiple columns or databases. Once those two settings are enabled, you'll already notice a big improvement, but we're not done yet. Now we're going to clean up the workspace navigation visually. Hover over the block to the left of your dashboard section. Click the six-dot menu and change that block into a quote. Repeat this same process for other navigation items, like projects and archive. Turning these into quote blocks subtly separates sections without heavy dividers, making everything feel intentional and well-designed. After that, click into an empty line and type /callout. From the menu that appears, select Callout. Instead of using standard headings, callout blocks help create visually distinct sections. You can change the icon to a minimalist emoji and adjust the background color to keep it subtle. Now drag your workspace navigation items into this callout block. This groups everything together in a clean container and immediately improves readability. Once everything is inside the callout, drag the entire block to the top of the page so it becomes the first thing you see when opening your workspace. This makes navigation faster and your dashboard feel more polished and intentional. And that's it. With just small text, full width, and a simple callout setup, you've dramatically improved your Notion workspace aesthetics using built-in settings only. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.